Hey YouTube, just want to do a quick lesson on this cello, Chelou, I don't know how you say it, halfway to nowhere. It's in D. You may be using open D, but you don't need to do that. Starts on the D chord. It's a good beginner song. How do you get C? And then goes to F. Out of bed in the morning. So that's D. That repeats. And then the only other part of the song is just like a little refrain or maybe a chorus, just a G to F. All right, let's go over the chords. D, you're going to just place on the G string your index finger at the 2nd fret. On the high E, you're going to be at the 2nd fret, and on the B, you're going to be at the 3rd fret. It makes a triangle. You play strings 4, or you can even play the A string. All right, and then C is index on the B string, 1st fret. Middle on the D string, 2nd fret. And then ring on the A string at the 3rd fret. And then we're going to go simplified F. Okay, we're just going to keep our index finger there from the C. It's on the B string, 1st fret. G string, we're going to use our middle at the 2nd fret. And then D string, we're going to use our 3rd finger on the D string, on the 3rd fret. And D, back to F, or F, back to D. So it starts on D, it ends on D. How do you get out of bed in the morning? Then you stay on D, so you're hanging on D because it ends on D, and then you're starting the next lines. Alright, and then G, I play it with my ring finger on the 3rd fret on the low E, and my pinky on the high E, and I mute the A string. And then you can go G and then go back to your simplified F. Actually, if you want to, you can just use your pinky and play strings 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a G chord. That's how it would sound. You're on the G, G, F. Because the strings D, G, and B, that's a G chord. So you know, the person who requested this said they were kind of a beginner, so that would be an easier way to do it. If you don't even have to play the high E. You could just play strings, your D, G, and B string. Alright, so you can do the same thing with the C. You could just play a partial. So you play like this, almost like just leave off the A string, just play D. So the D string. So F, D, 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 C just on the bottom 4 strings, F, D. That would be the easiest way to play. Okay, and then G, F. You just play G. You hear it's the same notes. G, F. All right. Thanks for watching and thanks for requesting that song.